In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a secure, direct connection set up so your advertising and sales data can work together. This helps you understand which campaigns drive real opportunities and revenue, and it keeps your reporting consistent across platforms. First, open your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that manages your campaigns and that you have the necessary permissions. It's also a good idea to confirm you have the appropriate access in Salesforce, since you'll be asked to authorize that connection in a moment. In Google Ads, head to the top menu and click the Tools and Settings icon. It looks like a little wrench and opens a set of admin and setup options. From there, find and click Data Manager. The Data Manager is where Google centralizes data sources and connections, so this is the hub for linking external platforms like Salesforce. Inside Data Manager, look for the Salesforce option and click it. This takes you to the place where you can set up and manage the link. You'll see an option called Direct Connection. Choose Direct Connection here. This is the recommended method because it's secure, reliable, and built for ongoing synchronization without manual uploads. Next, click Authorize. A new window will appear, prompting you to log in and verify your identity. This step confirms that you're allowing Google Ads to connect to your Salesforce environment. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization window can open. When the login screen appears, sign in and complete any identity checks, such as multi-factor verification. If you have access to multiple Salesforce orgs, make sure you're authorizing the correct one associated with your marketing data. Follow the prompts on your screen to authorize the connection. You'll be asked to grant specific permissions so Google Ads can read the data it needs. Review the details, then confirm to allow access. When you finish, you'll be returned to Google Ads and the connection status should update to show that the link is active. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep both Google Ads and Salesforce tabs open during this process, double-check you're in the right accounts, and ensure you have admin-level permissions if you run into access issues. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to refresh. That's it. Your Google Ads account is now connected to Salesforce using a direct, authorized connection. This foundation sets you up for better insights and more meaningful campaign optimization.